Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device. Plug the charger in or ensure the battery is above 50% so the update won't interrupt. Next, back up photos and documents to cloud or PC because firmware updates can reset settings. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network rather than mobile data to avoid data loss and speed issues. Now open Settings, scroll to System and Updates, and tap Software Update. That first actionable step starts the download. If an update, you'll see the download begin, monitor the progress bar, and make sure the tablet stays on Wi-Fi. While the package downloads, close background apps to free memory and prevent interruptions. When download completes, tap Install. The device may reboot automatically. The installer verifies the package and applies files. This can take several minutes as the system optimizes apps. Make sure to keep the tablet powered and avoid pressing buttons unnecessarily, so the install finishes cleanly. After reboot, follow on-screen setup prompts and check settings, right arrow about tablet to confirm the new version. You should re-enable disabled services and verify that apps function normally. Updates often recompile apps for performance improvements. If the update failed or the device is unstable, try wiping the cache partition or booting into safe mode and retrying the update. This clears temporary files that can block installation. If problems persist, contact support with your model and update error code.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.